Simplified by Quicken, the pros and cons. So I'm going to go through a honest review on the positives and negatives of Simplified by Quicken. So let's get into the video. So the pros on the positive side is the clean and modern interface. So Simplify, especially the app, has the user friendly, which is visually appealing, and a good dashboard that makes the tracking finances less overwhelming. Okay, it's very nice to use, as you can see on the app's user interface. And then automatic banking synchronizing, so it connects to thousands of financial institutions automatically, and it automatically imports transactions and update account balances in real time, which is pretty good. And customizable spending plan, like unlike static budgets, simplifies dynamic spending plan, adjust budget based on your income and recurring bills, offering a more flexible budgeting approach. Okay, if you see the features and stuff. Next, goal tracking. You can set and track savings goal. Example, you have a goal for a vacation or some other occasions. Simplify will show how close you are in reaching them. Then transaction categorization. Simplify auto categorizes transactions and learns your preferences over time. You can also manually adjust them if you need it though. And then the reports and insights, like the app provides visual reports, like the spending trends, cash flow charts, and all these to help you make informed decisions. These are the positives on the positive sides. Whereas on the cons on the negative side is the subscription fee. As you know, Simplify is not free. It costs around $4 to $50 a month and year, but you just have a 30 days free trial and that's it. Okay, and then the limited investment tracking. So unlike Quicken, Deluxe, or Personal Capital, this one has basic tracking. So it's better for budgeting than wealth management. And then no bill pay feature. So you can track bills, but you can't pay them through the app, because some apps do provide this function. Okay, and also the learning curve for beginners, which although it is simple, some users who are new to budgeting tools, like myself, might need a bit of time to fully grasp all the features. So sometimes it takes a bit of time. Okay, and also there is no desktop version. As you know, this is only available in apps. There is no mobile or app. Okay, there's no web version. It's only mobile based. Okay, so that might be a bit disappointing for some people. And that's pretty much it. That sums up this video. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you in a new video. Thank you.